ito ang Newsroom 5 Live. Ayan, tandaan nyo na yan. Kaya ngayon, pag nilike nyo ito, i-share nyo na rin po ang pag-uusapan kasi natin. Dahil March ngayon, Rabies Awareness Month. Did you know, guys, na yung mga tao in a year, ayon sa latest data ng DOH, 200 na mga Filipinos and above. Yun, naglalaro sa mga numero na iyon, ang namamatay dahil sa rabies at ang mga animals naman po, around 600 to 700. Kaya ngayon kasama ko po si Dr. Edgar. Handa po tayo. Umpisa na natin to. Doc, ikwento niyo naman muna, no, ano ang rabies, tsaka ano po yung mga dapat na ikabahala natin, yung mga warnings kung paano natin maiiwasan magkaroon ng rabies.
Okay. Well, rabies is a virus, no?
Okay.
So may virus yan affecting any warm-blooded animal. Pero yung pinakamadalas na hayop na tinatamaan at yung source ay yung dog.
Okay.
So the dog ang source. Kung panahon ninyo...
Oo.
Okay, Lassie.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, yun yung movie dati nung 60s, 70s.
Okay.
So, virus yan pag kinagat yung tao ng a rabid dog. Okay. So, hindi ibig sabihin na lahat ng dog ay may rabies. No? Nakukuha yan sa pag-away ng mga dog, lalong-lalo na pag yung dog ay hindi bakunado at saka yung mga gala, yung mga stray dog.
So, paano natin nakukuha ito?
Okay, nakukuha yan sa kagat. So, meron kita yung buto. At saka meron kung saan, kung malapit sa ulo o kung sa binti.
Okay.
So, iba-ibang lugar. So, kailangan malaman kung saan kinagat, bakit kinagat, at ganong kalalim yung kagat.
Ang kagat.
Yes.
Okay.
So again, dogs bite. Kaya may canine sila. Yung may ngipin yan, tawag dyan canine.
Okay.
Okay. Dogs, mangagat yan dahil sa defense, dahil natakot sila, or baka...
Kagat.
Okay.
Or possibly meron silang rabies. They're carrying rabies.
Okay. Again, it's from the saliva.
Okay.
So pag kinagat yan, a rabid dog, I'm rabid. Kinagat kita.
Okay.
Aso ka.
Okay.
Pupunta yan sa utak mo. Okay. Tapos, pag nasa utak mo, yung gagawin mo lang ay kagat ng kagat kasi parang nauulol ka na.
Ay, okay.
So, yung bahay, yung patungo ng rabies mula sa kagat. So, yung unang sign, parang baliw sila. Kagat ng kagat, naglalawa yan, maski yung dati mabait ay nagiging mabangis.
Okay. Kopya.
Or yung dating mabangis ay nagiging mabait.
Talaga?
Oh, so may ibang form eh.
Ayun, ano nga po yung mga hayop na pwede magkaroon ng rabies maliban sa dogs?
So, any warm-blooded, most common is the dog. 95% source ang dog.
Okay.
Kaya yung stress ay dapat sa dog. Pero siyempre, yung dog minsan kinakagat yung pusa. Na rabid, if you're rabid and I bite the dog, any animal, magkakaroon ng rabies yan. So, maski baka, kambing, unggoy, pwede. Any warm-blooded.
Nakamamatay po ba ito, miss? Kahit anong animal?
Yes. 100% fatal,
Oh, gosh.
but 100% preventable.
Oh, okay.
So yung prevention ay bakuna. Kaya
Kailan mo dapat pabakunahan ng iyong
kasi
animal?
ngayon mga Filipinos are pet lovers now.
Super. True.
Okay. So ngayon more people have pets. So again prevention kailangan bakuna yan. 100% preventable. At saka bakuna on the second month and third month. Tapos taon-taon. Dapat taon-taon dapat yan.
Okay, can we discuss po yung animal bite and yung inhalation?
Okay. Again, transmission is always saliva from the bite.
Okay.
Yung inhalation ay galing sa paniki.
Okay.
So meron rin virus na rabies, but it's a
Ang
Lysa
paniki.
virus galing sa paniki.
Sila defensive.
Kunwari maraming bats. Maraming bats yan. Eh, yung Batman magaling, umiiwas yan eh. Hindi man dumadapo sa mukha.
Okay.
At wala man tayong vampire bat. May vampire bat sa South America.
Okay.
Pero mga bat dito ay kumakalat. Pero the modes of transmission really is from the dog. Wala sa very limited
So,
sa bat.
nakafocus talaga tayo sa
Focus.
dog.
Yeah, yung Philippines, we have a 2020 target of the Bureau of Animal Industry. Yan, the Philippines.
How do we do that? Naku,
Okay.
napakaganda niyan kasi attainable naman pala. Dahil kinakwento nyo rin kanina, may mga bansa na rabies-free na po.
Yes. So, because we're islands, so dapat mas madali.
Okay.
Kaso maraming island at saka maraming dog na matapang. So, kailangan talagang trained ang staff. Maraming sector ang kailangan. The veterinarians have to work together also with the Department of Health.
Can you mention like how Malaysia and UK did that? How they became rabies?
Kasi may rabies-free and all the Commonwealth, like Australia, is rabies-free. So, nakuha nila sa massive vaccination, strategic. They released the
So,
massive...
pwede pala
and
talaga.
strategic.
Talaga
Pwede.
ma-attain natin yan.
Pwede yan, yes.
At mukha namang by 2020, tama ba?
Pero kailangan talagang strategize.
Pero bakit yung mga datos po ng mga asong namamatay hindi pa rin bumababa? Tsaka
Dahil-
yung mga taong
yeah.
namamatay.
Dahil maraming stray. Maraming stray dog at yung stray dog ang source.
Okay.
So, hindi yung mga Shih Tzu at Siberian na into sa ulo.
Okay.
Anything above the neck. Kasi yung tirahan ay sa brain.
Aha.
Pwede mamatay ka in 1 month.
Grabe naman,
Pag nasa, kunwari, sa talampakan, kinagat ka, pwedeng 15 to 20 years. The classic example is Fernando Po Sr.
Oh.
Fernando Po Sr. was bitten by a dog when he was young. Namatay siya years after dahil sa rabies.
Grabe.
Pero 15 to 20 years bago siyang namatay.
Ano po yung mga...
Siya ng stray dog. Okay. At saka umiiba na yung personality. Kagat ng kagat yan. Parang, ano yun, yung parang possessed nga. Parang
Madman.
baliw. Yung
Oo,
tawag,
oo.
kaya yung tawag dyan ay ulul. Naulul
Oh,
sila.
nauulol na aso.
Umiiba na yung boses nila. So yung rough, naging...
Okay. Ay, okay.
Tapos walang tigil yan. Kinakagat niya lahat yan.
Kapag naglalaway ba ang aso, may rabies na agad yun?
No, pwedeng bad breath.
Okay.
Baka may problema lang sa ngipin yan.
Aha.
But if it's constant, umiiba yung ugali dahil wala na silang rabies. Pero Pilipinas, kailangan every year. So
Until we attain that.
Yes, if you have at saka kasi ang dami-dami nating stray. So, binabakunahan lang natin yung nasa paligiran, sa bahay natin. Pero yung sa paligiran, wala. So, kailangan veterinary groups and animal welfare groups are working, kinakapon yan. At saka yung national government.
Ano naman po yung mga symptoms ng rabies sa tao?
Sa tao rin, parang umaakyat yan sa bubong kasi sobrang sakit yan eh. They're salivating. Kailangan i-confine yan, quarantine yan dahil...
So, very similar sa
Yes, similar. Kasi
dogs.
sinisira yung utak. Yan
Oh,
yung bahay
gosh.
talaga, masisira yung utak.
Ayan. At ito naman po, no, ano yung mga dapat na gawin ng mga tao, especially mga pet lover, pet owner, pati na rin ng mga, mayroong mga anak na naglalaro sa kalsada. Ano
Yeah.
po yung mga advice nyo at mga ginagawa nyong paraan para maiwasan ito?
Yeah. The most common, again, how to treat pets. Dapat hindi takot.
Okay, mag-umpisa tayo doon.
Okay, yung pet kasi, pag nakita kang takot, magaling yung sixth sense nila eh.
Aha.
So, pag nakitang tatakbo, kunwari makita kong dog tatakbo, hahabulin ka.
Okay.
Pero gusto nila maglaro. Pero minsan, kakagatin ka. Kasi parang naglalaro yan. So that's where the bite.
Sometimes kasi yung mga kids, di ba, nilalaro talaga nila. Yung kamay nila, tiningin nila harmless yung bibig ng
Yes,
dog.
yeah.
Di ba, na pinapasok nila yung kamay nila?
So kung yung dog ay nakababa yung tenga, with care.
Ay,
Kung
okay.
yung buntot niya nasa ilalim, medyo takot yan.
Okay.
Kung may yung tail ay nagwawag, friendly.
Ayan.
Or kung yung nagpapan,
Okay.
friendly yan. So with care. So again, education on how to approach dogs. Number 2, pag hinabol ka ng dog, never run. They always say, stand like a tree. Always stand like a tree. If you see a dog,
Naku, gusto ko to.
when you see a dog,
Kailangan ganyan ka lang. Ay, okay.
if you have an eye contact, that's hamon. Huwag kang tumingin.
Paano kung tinatawag mo lang siya? Char!
Kung kilala mo.
Kung
Okay.
kilala mo. Kung kilala ka rin niya.
And then also, if there's a dog that attacks, kung hinabol ka na, if the dog lunges,
Okay.
you crouch. Just don't move.
Aha.
Kasi the dog will try to pull you eh.
Okay.
Like if the dog bites, first reaction, hilain mo.
hihilain mo. Lalo
mapunit.
agad.
Yeah. So lalo napupunit yan.
Oo.
So just stay put, we'll let go. Pag hinabol mo yan, pag iko-kontra mo yan,
Kung
lalong...
tinadyakan mo. Kasi usually, iba ganun yung
Yeah.
ginagawa, di ba? Yung parang initial reaction, they jerk, di ba?
Yeah.
Ginagano nila. What will happen there?
So, kunwari makita mo yung dogs, pag nag-aawa yan, pag inawat mo yan, lalong kakagatin ka. Pati yung nag-aawat. Kasi yung dogs, gusto lang magpatayan lang yan eh. Or, hindi man patayan, pero
They wanna attack one another.
they will engage.
Yeah.
So, hindi magbibitaw yan.
Okay.
So, if you try to fight a fight, stop, crouch like a rock. Okay.
Ayun pala, crouch like a rock.
And avoid eye contact.
And avoid eye contact. Yung tatlo na yun, napaka-importante mga kapatid. Hello sa mga kapatid pala natin sa Middle East, sa Riyadh, sa Kuwait, at syempre sa iba pa, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin. Meron pala tayo, Doc, mga questions from our netizens. Umpisa na natin from Mel. Anong taon po ba ideal na paturukan ng anti-rabies ang mga alagang aso o pusa?
Ideally, it's at 2 months.
2 months.
2 months. Okay. But, kung yung mga gala,
Okay.
Pero the earliest...
Pag nag-alaga ka na stray dog.
Kunwari yung nakita mo, may alaga nun. When their campaigns, help the government, help your
Okay.
barangay. Kasi it starts with barangay. Every barangay has to get together. So get the 1 month minimum, but safest is 2 to 3 for if you have a pet. Kunwari, bumili ka ng dog, mga 2 to 3 months is okay.
Okay.
Have it repeated after 1 month, then every year.
Okay. So from brands naman po.
From bites of stray pets that may be rabid.
Okay.
So kung indoor condo, hindi lumalabas yan, hindi nakikipag-awa yan, 100% chance no rabies.
Wow,
But
okay.
you still have to, as a responsible owner, have it vaccinated.
Yes, tama yan. Ito from Dij, nakagat po ako ng aso nung 1 linggo pa, pero wala naman po akong nararamdaman. Hindi po ako nagpapa-doctor. Safe na po ba ako sa rabies?
Yeah. Okay. Never leave bites unattended.
Okay.
So anytime you sit always with running soap and water. Kung nagdugo, let it bleed.
Okay.
Let it bleed para yung whatever
Matanggal.
saliva goes in is washed out.
Okay.
Apply betadine, painkiller. Wag nating gawin yung mga naglalagay pa ng bawang, pupunta pa sa tandok. Yan yung mga sinisip-sip, tapos pinapabayaan yan. Seek medical attention.
Okay.
Because again, if it's a bite, if it's a dog that's in a compound, in a condo, in a house, never seen dog, just wash it always.
Okay.
And see the vaccine, always see to that you get attention.
Nako, ito na, Dij, di ba? Narinig mo na yan. Seryosohin natin ito. From
Tandaan mo
Benji.
si Fernando po, Sr.
Oo, yun na yung ating mga palatandaan para dyan. Sabi naman ni Benji, irritable at naiinitan din ba ang mga hayop tuwing summer kaya marami raw ang nakakagat ng aso?
Yeah, rabies is more affected in the summertime. Well, hindi man nainitan, pero that's when the kids are, mas maraming bata sa kalye.
Okay.
People are on the street.
Din pala, tanong naman po ni Rian Mendez, Dok, totoo po bang kapag namatay daw yung aso after 1 week na makagat ang tao ay posibleng infected ng rabies? So, ibig sabihin po ba kapag di namatay yung aso agad, pwede na pong hindi magpa-inject ng bakuna yung taong nakagat? Mahal po kasi.
Okay. Well, again, any bite, don't leave it alone. Okay, always clean and check the record, medical record.
Okay.
The DOH has already a free program.
Nice. Actually, I was about to
Yes.
ask that.
It's for your health. But there are hospitals that will give it for free. They call it the post-exposure. A post-exposure is pagkatapos ng kagat,
How do they know kung saan i-avail yung mga free na rabies
then
shots?
you go to the animal bite centers.
Okay.
There are animal bite centers that are free, animal bite centers that are charged, but
Okay.
at a discounted price.
Where do we find them online? Are they here on
online,
Facebook?
Yes, there's online, and then you can also ask your barangay.
Oh, okay. Hanapin ng mga yan. Ito naman from Alan, totoo po ba ang 777, 7 days, 7 months, 7 years? Pag di po nagpabakuna matapos makagat, ay yan po ang tan ng buhay mo. Ba? Ang dami pa ba't tawa-tawa ka, Dok?
No, but in pets, I mean 9 lives.
Okay.
No, before, kasi yung bakuna, you're younger than me.
Yes.
So, panahon dati, yung bakuna they call that the equine.
Okay.
7 years. Pero may protocol. So, pag nasimula mo yung bakuna, ng post-exposure, follow it. Those are 5.
Okay.
Okay. But again, look at the nature of the bite and the vaccination. Again, not all bites are rabid. Okay. Dogs will bite because they're dogs.
Yes.
See why they're bitten if they're rabid. If they are vaccinated. If they're
Okay.
vaccinated, no need to push the panic button.
Alright, eto. May question naman si Dog nung nakagat ka, walang rabies yon. Pero pag galit siya, may rabies po. Ano po ba totoo? Pag may rabies, may rabies.
Yeah. Okay, rabies is not by season. It's not on the emotion or only in bite. Or if you're bitten, that means it's rabid. No, a dog will bite for many reasons. Sa tuwa, sa inis, sa naglalandi, or maski dumaan ka sa path niya, magagalit
Okay.
yan. Okay. So reasons, dogs have again teeth. They will bite.
Okay.
So again, kasama mo sa bahay o mga kasambahay can be bitten
Aha.
dahil either tumakbo sila or yung kilos nila. Again, a dog will bite on certain times but doesn't mean it's rabid.
Okay, eto naman po from Jason T. Nakalmot po ako sa pisngi ng pusa ko. Totoo po bang pag nakagat po kayo ng mas malapit sa utak, mas delikado? Yes, nasagutin na to kanina, no? Saka totoo po ba na kapag napasukan ka raw ng laway ng hayop na may rabies sa mata o sa sugat, posibleng magka-rabies?
The dog.
Okay,
Dog is
kopya.
95% dog.
Ayan, ito may mga phone-in, may mga ano pa, no, talagang questions pa tayo from Rodriguez Lolo Ambrose. Okay lang ba kung mahalikan ng aso? Aso kasi namin, tuwing umaga hinahalikan kami para magising kami.
Ang sweet
Andam.
naman.
Oo nga, sobrang sweet. Tsaka di ba, yung maraming mga celebrity pet owners, ganun din. Talagang hinahalikan nila yung aso nila everyday.
Yeah, as long as they're vaccinated. Kung bakunado yan every year, walang problema. Check mo rin yung ngipin kasi minsan.
Wala na po bang treatment?
Okay, in the dog, makikita mo yun, mamatay na yan.
Okay.
But there are certain cases sa human, because of all the expensive advances
Uh-huh.
in medicine, there was, I think, one in the US na positive for rabies, nabuhay siya.
Wow, for how long? Like,
I think like after how many years, they put hyperbaric treatments. So there are, I think, 1 or 2 cases na buhay. They were able to slow it down or combat it.
Kung tanong si Karen Divino, after injection po ng anti-rabies, nilagnat po ang baby ko.
Baby,
Baby.
baby dog.
Oo. Binigyan niya ata ng anti-rabies shot yung baby dog.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, parang sa tao, if you have, like, kunwari may ma-booster ka or your
Okay.
kids, pag binakunahan mo yan,
Sometimes he gets sick.
you'll always get yung parang tatamlay ka.
Oo.
The reason is because you're mounting immunity.
Okay.
So, it's a normal reaction. It's actually good
Mm-hmm.
na tatamlay ka. Kasi to 300 pesos.
300
Okay.
pesos.
In the government will give it on the drives, libre yan. Okay. You, of course, but it's not only rabies that you give. Kasi yung pet ngayon may attachment sa tao.
Yes.
That's why it's very good to have preventive health.
Okay.
So that you will only give rabies but you're not giving viruses, the preventive viruses. Yung ibang viruses very fatal.
Okay.
So parvovirus, distemper, that has to be given also on a booster shot basis. Every year also. Kasi pag namatay, ngayon yung mga pets, dati gala yan eh. Ngayon
Oo.
nasa bahay na.
Yes.
Okay, everybody wants to have a baby of a pet. Pero do we really need more pets?
Yes.
Kasi magastos rin ang
Actually, magastos nga na
Gastos
po.
yan.
Gano'n nakagastos ngayon magka-pet? Like, in a
Yeah.
nutshell, in a month, magkano yung ginagastos mo sa animals? Para to sa mga gusto naman magka-pet
oh,
dog.
may special food, may
Oo nga
toothbrush, may
eh.
bakuna,
Meron pang parlor, ha?
may grooming pa.
Oo,
yeah.
may hotel pa sila
Yeah.
pag nagbakasyon ka.
So it's you need to invest. It's like having another child. Pag kinakapon yan, umiiba yung they become calmer. So yung male dog hindi masyado matapang.
Okay.
Or kung may naglalandi, female pag naglalandi yan, away ng away yan.
Okay.
You don't want that. And then more pets na mas magastos.
Oo.
You know, so we recommend to part of the responsible pet ownership. What we
Wow,
call that.
parang family planning din
Yes.
para sa mga animal. Dapat importante rin
You
yun.
recommend that you don't need more pets
Okay. You just know how, ha?
and prostate cancer.
Okay.
And then it lengthens the life. That's why it's best to neuter.
Okay. Oo, from Coley Makaraeg, ito, kahit po ba may vaccine yung dog at napapalisan lang ang balat, or napapawisan lang ang balat, nadaplisan lang ang balat, hindi naman totally bumaon, need pa ba ng anti-rabies?
Yeah. Again, if it's vaccinated at saka may galos lang, nadaplis lang, wash it lang with water and soap.
Okay.
Yeah, because yung puncture ang delikado.
Ano po yung mga gusto nyo pang sabihin sa mga napaalala dun sa mga kapatid natin na pet owners wanting to have pets, especially it's rabies awareness month.
Yeah. So rabies awareness is an awareness. Because
Okay.
the Philippines is an island, or islands.
Okay.
We have 200 or a little less deaths a year. That's still alarming.
Yes, that's a lot.
We have 600 to 700 dogs that die of rabies. So it still keeps fear in pets. 5,000 deaths, human deaths a
Grabe.
year. 55,000. Half of them are in India. So yung stray population.
Ay,
there.
grabe.
So Philippines, we should be a safe country. Maraming turista, marami rin tayong, kids are having, we want safe communities. Ayaw natin na may rabies tayo. Especially, Quezon City has rabies.
Yes.
Do you want your dogs to have rabies?
No, of
or
course
if you live in
not.
that area, yung barangay mo or your village, dapat no rabies.
True.
Yeah.
Ito po, information, kasi syempre yung education po yung number one para malaman ninyo how to handle rabies and how to act when dogs are around.
Yes. So we have the Philippine Animal Hospital Association. It's an association of Philippine hospitals, the animal hospitals. So we have a Facebook page called Philippine Animal Hospital Association. The big organization is the PVMA, Philippine Veterinary Medical Association.
Okay.
So PVMA is another Facebook page. So these are pages where you can approach, get information. So again, it's always
Yes.
how to act, and then how you don't want, again, more
Ano po
pets.
ulit yung tatlo? Kapag nag-attack yung dog, kapag lumapit siya,
Yeah.
stand like a tree.
You know, if they attack, avoid eye contact.
Okay,
Especially
avoid
if,
eye contact.
If it's a dog na,
Nagalit na galit.
read also the body language of the
Okay.
dog. And then also, if they're attacking already, huwag ka nang tumakbo. Just
Crouch.
like a stone. Okay.
Crouch like a stone, stand like a tree, at no eye contact. Alam nyo yan. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you.